What are you doing, Tia? You got a baby breath.
Yeah.
I hear somebody. Where'd Tia go? She jumped?
Let's go find a spot for us to jump. Come on.
Come on.
No. There might be snakes in there. There might be. There is Caesar.
No, he's digging in a hole, Jackson.
Hey, don't go in there, buddy.
Come on, let's go down here. We'll cross. Keep on.
How, Lara? How?
Hey.